Hello friends, today we are learning animals and their sounds. Let's listen carefully. Are you ready? Let's start. Dog. This is a dog. Dog says woof, woof. Cat. This is a cat. Cat says meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Cow. This is a cow. Cow says moo, moo.
What a cute cow!
Again, woo, woo.
Yes, one more time.
Woo, woo. Duck. This is a duck. Duck says quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Oh, look at the cute little duck. Quack, quack. Yes, so cute.
Quack,
You're so funny.
Sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep says Baa Baa.
Baa Baa. Oh, Baa Baa, yeah.
Horse. This is a horse. Horse says me, me.
Look at the cute horse go. Keep going.
Pig. This is a pig. Pig says oink, oink.
Good job, Muddy Piggy.
Lion. This is a lion. Lion says roar.
Again, yay, you like us.
Elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant says pow, pow.
Wow, look at you.
Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkey says ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Ooh, ah.
Frog. This is a frog. Frog says ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit, ribbit.
The frog said ribbit.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Yes, sweetie, what a cute frog.
Chicken. This is a chicken. Chicken says cluck, cluck.
Cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck. So cat. Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Rooster. This is a rooster. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Goat. This is a goat. Goat says ma, ma.
Oh, hello there, little goat. Wow, Mom, can I pet it? You're so soft. Let's go play.
Bee. This is a bee. Bee says buzz, buzz.
Oh, hello, little bee. Hello, what a lovely day. Yay, a talking bee.
Snake. This is a snake. Snake says hiss, hiss.
Hiss, hiss.
A snake! Stay close! Mom, it's getting closer! Run this way!
Owl. This is an owl.
a snowy owl. Wow, so cool. It's very special.
Can we see it fly?
Maybe.
Wolf. This is a wolf. Wolf says, howl, howl.
Oh, listen to that beautiful howl. Wow, it's so cool. It's looking at us now.
Donkey. This is a donkey. Donkey says, hee-haw, hee-haw.
Hi there.
Hello, little donkey.
Donkey.
You can pet him.
Duckling. This is a duckling. Duckling says, beep, beep.
Mommy, look, a duck.
Oh, it's so cute.
Can we play?
Yes, let's be gentle.
Animals make funny sounds. Which animal sound do you like the most? See you in the next fun video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Bye friends.